What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Binance to Magic Eden wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly receive crypto or tokens into your Eden wallet or Magic Eden wallet. So first things first is we want to get the address that we want to send to from our Binance account directly into our Magic Eden wallet. So you want to go and open up your extension here for Magic Eden. And from here, let's go ahead and click on the option that says receive. Now, by the way, if you can't see this page here and you're directly at your home page, you could go ahead and just click on your balance here to redirect you into this page here. So which is going to be your portfolio. Now, you want to go and click on receive, and you want to go ahead and choose the token that you want to receive here. So we have Ethereum, Polygon, Base, and Solana, and Bitcoin, and a lot more. So for example, I want to receive Ethereum. Let's go ahead and select it. Now, another thing that you need to take note here is the receiving chain here. So you need to make sure that you remember the chain here, but let's go and click on copy here. But since we want to receive ETH, we want to also specify that in our Binance account. Let's go and go back into our Binance here, and let's go ahead and click on our wallet at the top section. Now you want to go and click on spot. Now in here, you want to go and click on the withdraw option since we want to move tokens or crypto from our Binance account to Magic Eden wallet. Now you want to go and search for your coin. Now, since I want to transfer it to ETH here, I want to also basically choose ETH here. Now, if you want to send, like for example, you have like USDT on your account here, I would recommend you to first just convert that to the crypto that you want to send. So make sure you're also sending ETH here, since again, we've chosen ETH as the receiving wallet. Now, you want to go ahead and enter our address here. Let's go and paste that, and you want to go and select your network as well. Now, in here, it's really important that you choose the correct network. So if you chosen Base, make sure you choose Base. But in my case, I've chosen ETH as the network. Now, from here, just provide the amount that you want to withdraw. Also, take in mind the network fees here, so make sure you have enough. But once you've done that, go ahead and click on withdraw here, and just wait for a few minutes, approve the transaction, and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.